Hello EDU 173 students, welcome to Module 6. And this one is called Save the Comments, and you will understand that once you read the textbook Winning Ways Being a Professional on these particular pages. Please note here under Read and Review These Resources a website evaluation tool, because you will be doing a website evaluation later on in this particular module. So you'll want to look at that website evaluation tools. You're going to actually, in a discussion forum, discuss your service learning experience. So you will write that in that particular discussion forum. You'll also be doing your article summary number 2. And again, remember, your article summary 1 and your article summary 2 and your final paper all have to do with a topic that you have chosen that relates to the NAEYC standard that you have chosen. Standard 1, Standard 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Now, hopefully you have gotten feedback for the article summary number 1, and then you can make some adjustments as needed for your article summary number 2. Now, website evaluation. You are going to choose one of these websites to look at very carefully. You have a checklist for evaluating websites. It's also right here, but you're going to want to download it and fill it out and answer all the questions in it. And this is how we can tell whether or not a website is reliable, and if it is a good and true thing. And you need to just kind of fill out this little checklist on one of these particular websites that you choose to fill one out on. So that's kind of a fun little activity. We want to make sure that all the websites that we use in research papers, that they are reliable and true. And so that is one way that you can find out if it is a reliable website. And then you're going to do electronic file cabinet, and this is in TaskStream, so make sure you have created your account in TaskStream. And if you have not, refer back to those videos on how to create your TaskStream account. And also, when you do create your TaskStream account, be sure that you also sign up for the educational tools or educational toolbox. I can't remember exactly how it's titled, but it's free of charge. It's no extra charge with your TaskStream account, but it'll give you some extra things that you're going to want for your TaskStream account. So here's the video for your resource file cabinet or resource folio, whatever you want to title it, on how to do that. But you have got to have already created your account or renewed an account that you already had from a previous course. So now if you have already had TaskStream before and you have let your membership lapse, please do not create a new TaskStream account, but you're going to renew your TaskStream account. And that's kind of a fun little folio that you're going to create. And the reason why we do have you do an electronic file cabinet is because so often our students have come to their last class where they're going to need a lot of their work that they've completed in other courses, and they say, oh no, I can't find that particular assignment, or I can't find my work from other classes because their previous computer has gotten viruses and it is broken, or it's gotten lost, or whatever is the problem. In fact, we had one student who actually had a fire in their house and her computer was destroyed by a fire, so she can't have any access to those previous files that she had and all those different assignments and work that she had done in previous classes. So we want to make sure that there's a safe place for you to store all of your assignments. So that is why we want you to create a file cabinet in TaskStream, and then it will always be there. Even if you let your subscription to TaskStream lapse, whenever you renew it again, it'll all be there for you. So we want you to go ahead and create this file cabinet in TaskStream. And then as we go back to the module, you will also see you're going to do a service learning reflection number 2. So you've already done a service reflection number 1, and this is your second one you want to do, and you want to tell us a little bit more about how your service learning has gone and the things that you have learned. And you're going to be answering some of these questions for you will also be answering for your final paper. So go ahead and start answering some of these questions, and then your final paper will be much easier to do at the end of the course. So when you do answer these, please just go ahead and write the question out and then just answer the question. Again, just write the question out and answer the question. So that's how we want you to complete this assignment. As well as when you do your final paper, we want you to just answer the questions, that are listed there. Okay, so then when we go back, you'll see your winning ways being a professional. Step 5, save the comments. So you'll upload the things that you have read about and learned in the textbook there. Okay, I hope you have a great Module 6.